Frienda mug warmer for tea, coffee, or milk. Cup beverage warmer for office, home, or shop use. Desktop mug warmer with food-grade silicone drink lids, black. Large heating plate. This mug warmer has 8.5 centimeters 3.35-inch diameter heating surface. Work with almost any mugs. Beverage warmer keeps your beverage with 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, 104 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Features: nickel heating wire is applied to the coffee mug warmer. The thermal efficiency is higher than ordinary heating wire. 150 centimeters 59-inch long cord for convenient to use. Unique symmetrical diverging heat emission holes design of bottom. The heat dissipates from both sides in case of roasting your table. Easy to clean. General stain can be wiped with a damp cloth. Stubborn stain can use a scraper carefully, then use a soft cloth stained with the special cleaner to wipe off, and then wipe with a damp cloth. Finally, use a clean soft cloth to dry. Food-grade silicone cup cover helps to retain drink's temperature and keep drink warm. With this lid, you can hold temperature 55 degrees Celsius. Also can prevent dust from touching your mug of coffee, tea or other beverage. Intimate tips: it's better to choose the flat-bottomed mug whose diameter is similar with that of the mug warmer heating plate in order to achieve the best heat preservation effect. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.